The Modern Comfort Portable, high-power, battery-operated blender bring the power of your home blender wherever you go. Crush full-size ice cubes in just seconds. Your best choice for blending on the go and stronger than USB blenders. Enjoy fresh margaritas anywhere. Useful in a variety of settings. Featuring an attractive stainless steel design with a long-lasting battery. Includes a premium water-resistant bag for easy transport. Can be carried 2 ways, tote or backpack. The portable, high-power, battery-operated blender by Modern Comfort.